Uy, uy, uy. Sorry. Nako, nabantayan. Akin yun, coach. Akin yun, coach. Yung screen, sorry. Ayan po, the first turtle. Ano kaya pang hawak dito ng team na Tinago Proud kay Joy Pro? Don't worry, meron tayong Alice and Lunox. Burst damage lang sana if they can take early advantage on their items. So, eto na, the turtle nakuha dito ni Shen. Esmeralda agad, mamamatay dito si RJ together with Ren. And James is out also. Pero Amino, apakunat, 4-3 yung kalaban, hindi natatakot. He got 2 kills, naka-double kill. Grabe. Grabe si Boss Kim Amino, guys, no? Humarap ng 4 na kalaban na naka-double kill pa. We can check on our replay. Can take early advantage on their items, no? Eto na, the turtle nakuha dito ni Shen. Esmeralda agad, mamamatay dito si RJ together with Ren. And James is out also. Pero Amino, apakunat, 4-3 yung kalaban, hindi na... Ganun kahirap. Eto, mahirap to si Joy. Sasayaw lang to si Joy, guys, no? Ayun, Dev might be in trouble. Pero andito si 6K Choco to help it out. Riz naman, ultimate right away ba? Nag-ultimate, walang tinamaan. Nag-move forward, pero ultimate coming from Shen. Nahuli doon si Renz, pero buhay na buhay pa dito. Look at the heal coming from our SS. Pero mamamatay, 1-1 is doing it. For that double and triple kill ba? Double kill lang po. Alice in the Wonderland. RJ is in trouble. Bumalik pa. That's a triple kill for Dev. Eto yung mahirap, guys, pag naka-dragon na. Naka-jumping rope na yung ating 1-1, no? Grabe. And look at the damage coming from James. He got Twister. Papasok pa dito si RJ. Wala siyang purple buff. We'll try to help it out. Buhay pa. Nabuhay si James. Akala ko patay na. What? Mag-ultimate lang pala si kuya mo. And look at the damage coming from James. He got Twister. Papasok pa dito si RJ. Wala siyang purple buff. At flashing here. Nakuha na naman si Shen yung dating turtle. Mamamatay doon si Renz. And we'll see ni Amino. So, go down. Nakakuha man siya. Pero ganon pa rin. It's a wipeout on the team Tinago Proud. Advantage doon. Grabe, agigil ataw, atapang ataw yung ating team ng Nigma Materials, guys, no? Sheesh! Item check kayo dyan, mga kapatid. Naka-talisman na po yung ating SS, and we have our 1-1 na Crimson Side and Windtalker. And of course, Genius 1 coming from Odette. And on the side naman dito sa team Tinago Proud, we have already a side with next play for Tamos. Delikado, nahuli pa dito si James. Ultimate just to escape. Flicker out pa, buhay na buhay pa naman. Nice execution, what a play coming from 6K Choco. Yung pasok nila Flicker ultimate. Sheesh! A triple kill for Twiz. Agigil yun. Aside with next play for Tamos. Delikado, nahuli pa dito si James. Ultimate just to escape. Flicker out pa, buhay na buhay pa naman. Guys, execution, what a play coming from 6K Choco. Yung pass. Ayun na, hinahabol Amino. Try to move forward on the tower. Try to find him help, pero delikado, mamamatay siya. Grabe, humabol yung kanilang core, si Shen. Kakaiba talaga yung galawan dito ni Esmeralda. Ang bilis tumakbo. So, pinapakita yung atapang atao talaga. And this is the third turtle. Eto, Joy pumasok. Pop up yung vengeance dito. Kaya pa bang buhayin ni James is out? Nahuli pa yung ultimate doon. Akala siya hindi mamamatay yung kanyang kaibigan na si Lunox. Eto na, ang hirap talaga isipin ito. Amino, nahuli doon, pero still alive pa naman. Nandito naman si Ren, na popping up yung ultimate, pero look at the damage coming from Dave. 1-1 ang Kate. 1-1 already have a Demon Hunter po on the 7-minute mark. Ayun, sumasayaw na po dito si DYM Joy. Pero wala pang kalaban. Maatras konti-konti lang, sir. Chillax lang. Napakalikot na si 1-1, guys, no? Naga 18-18 na, galukso-lukso na si Uncle. Focusing on the tower. Tower will be destroyed. No more tower na mid lane together with the top lane. Bottom lane na lang natira. And this is it. It's already an 11k gold advantage on the side of the team. Enigma Ethereals. So next game, prepare ang Tinago Loud versus the Bulwark. Get ready na kayo. Kasi para moving forward na. Or hindi pa nag-give up ang team Tinago Proud, ha. It's not yet over, guys. It's not yet over. Ayun, sumayaw agad si Joy. Letting the music out. Secured yung Lord. On the side, nakuha pa ni Mr. RJ yung red buff. Ayun, pumasok ang flicker ultimate coming from 6K Choco. Mamamatay man siya, pero look at Alice, guys. And Joy sumasayaw even with the vengeance. What a play. It's a wipe out. That's a double kill. Triple kill. Grabe, DYM together with Shen. Ang hirap pigilan. Yung mga sumasayaw, 1-1, Esmeralda, Joy. Sheesh. Yan na, maguto si Kuan kanina ba? Si Crystal, na daw sila isabot. Bahala na mo na. Na daw isabot-sabot, ha? Grabe, sir. Yung galawan, sir. And mamaya na naman, guys, yung Bulwark versus Tinago Loud. Magandang laban din yun. Puro magagaling lahat ng players ng Salvador. Lanao del Norte. Shoutout sa inyo dyan. What's up? Thank you so much. Ayan na, nagsisimula na po. Pumasok Joy all alone doon, nasa harap. 4 yung kalaban, 3, 5 di ay. Nahihirapan talaga sila kay Joy, guys. No? So careful mas Joy, lihok kayo. Lihok kini nga bat. Eto, ready for a flicker. Ultimate na naman to si 6K Choco. Grabe yung pila ka buhok ultimate ni 6K Choco, guys, no? Minotaurs, ultimate, then flicker. Maayo tanan modula. Tinod, tanan maayo modula. Depende sa kamot nga. Gipang singot. Gipang singot ang kamot. Keng tanon og kamot. Mudanlog na lang sa screen. Playing safe dito yung team Enigma. Now waiting for the Lord just to secure the fight. Naman siya sa Enigma, di ba? Naraw, si Sexy Labo. Ayan po, si Dave. Grabe naman si Dave. Oy, securing the Lord all alone himself. And si Joy Joy, zoning for his teammates. Sasayaw bigla. All alone din. Ito, mamamatay pa si Dude. Still alive pa yung ating Joy Joy. And there you go, 6K. Got that kill for Sharo. Hinabol doon and Twiz finishing the damage for Sharo. Ang ating Curry. Yun, wala nang flicker. Ultimate yung ating Minotaur, ha? We're going to check it out. Eto na. Pushing toward the bottom lane. The last tower defend. 6K. Relax, relax. Joy. DYM is dancing. And the Lord is down. That was the second enhanced Lord. The successfully defended their base, guys. Oh. Nag-ultimate to 6K Choco, walang tinamaan po, pero eto Joy pushing toward the enemy, dancing around and wala po, hindi kaya ng kill ng ating Grens yung damage coming from 1-1. It's a triple kill and sayang na agawan po. Alright, let's move sa ating next bout.
Subscribe.